OuterBox is one of the largest performance marketing agencies. We have over 1,000 clients, more than 250 people, and we've been doing this since 2004. We specialize in SEO, paid search, web dev, all the core components you have to have a performance marketing agency.
No matter how much you invest with us, you are getting our best foot forward. You're getting our best work to try to be able to achieve your goals together.
OuterBox's mission is to connect people through marketing. If you view business as less transactional and more about connection and connecting, there's a lot more you can do with it.
Our team is very hands-on. We like to look at your campaign, dig in, see where you need the most help, and just start getting our hands dirty, right? Where do you need the most help? Is it SEO? Is it paid media? Is it email? And just, boots on the ground. What's going to drive the most revenue for you or the most leads? What's going to make the most impact to your bottom line?
We have the opportunity to serve a really wide range of clients, both all the way from very, very small, all the way up to large international enterprise brands and everything in between.
Because of, we do have a very broad spectrum of clients, everything from industrial manufacturing all the way to high-end insurance companies and e-commerce businesses. It allows us to have kind of a unique perspective on distilling down the process of getting a customer into that organization. What we've done is take that structure and then make sure that we have flavors and different levels of sophistication at each of those points. It makes us more modular and very flexible, and that allows us to satisfy a very broad assortment of customers.
The OuterBox North Star is, are our clients growing and hitting their objectives? When we think about doing great work for our clients, we're not thinking first and foremost about we're delivering a great keyword report to them or a great performance report or great content to write on their site. The most important thing to us is how our clients are doing as a business.